Eternal Father, I offer you the body and the blood, soul and divinity of your dearly beloved Son, our Lord Jesus Christ, in atonement.
Life has a beautiful way of bringing us full circle, calling us back to the places that shaped us, to give back where it all began.
Have mercy on us.
On this Menstrual Hygiene Day, Lukosi Primary alumni return not just as professionals, but as pilgrims of hope, journeying back with hearts full of purpose and hands ready to serve.
And on the whole world, for the sake of his sorrowful passion, have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake.
This sacred return is part of a greater pilgrimage of hope, echoing the Jubilee Year 2025's call to restoration, reconciliation, healing, and renewal.
For the sake of his sorrowful passion, have mercy on us and on the whole world.
Much like the voice heard in Ramah, where Rachel wept for her children, echoes of past struggle linger here, of young girls once burdened by silence, shame, and lack.
For the sake of his sorrowful passion, have mercy on us.
But just as God promised restoration, they shall return from the land of the enemy. There is hope for your future. Hope rises again at Lukosi.
And on the whole world, for the sake of his sorrowful passion.
Like Samuel, who always returned to Ramah after his duties in Mizpah, Gilgal, and Bethel, we learn that leadership rooted in faith and presence can shape the future of our families, communities, and nations.
And on the whole world,
Eternal Father, I offer you.
With drums of joy and hearts full of respect, we welcome our lead partner and the guest speaker, the director of the Mary B. Katie Foundation.
And divinity.
From laughter to lessons, from rhythm to reverence, the entire community gathered not just to witness change, but to celebrate it. Pads and hygiene kits were distributed, lives were touched, confidence was restored, the shame once wrapped in silence was replaced with understanding and pride.
Have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of his sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of his sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of his sorrowful sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of a sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the
Naitwa Ruth Madiaka, nasoma shule ya msingi ya Lukosi Primary na JSS wa grade ya 7. Nashukuru walimu kuleta sisi kama girls sanitary towels. Some of our parents hawezi provide, so tunakosa shule juu ya sanitary towels. So ninasema thanks, tunakuja shule tunajiprotect nayo juu wengine wanaweza kosa shule juu hawana sanitary towels. Some of our learners wana drop shule juu hawana sanitary towels, wanatafuta mtu mwenye anaweza ongelea sanitary towels, lakini tunawashukuru nyinyi mlileta sanitary towels shule. Tunavaa, kuna nyatuati shule, tunakuja shule tunajua ziko shule. Ninaweza sema tunawashukuru.
Majina ni Angel, niko katika darasa ya 4. Ningependa kuwarudishia walimu shukrani kwa zawadi ambayo wametupata wazazi wetu hawangeweza kutununulia na Mary Biketi Foundation. Tungependa kuwarudishia shukrani, maana wametutoa mbali, wametujengea shule, wanaenda kutujengea gate. Tunawashukuru sana, tunawarudishia shukrani sana. Sina kitu la kuwaupa, lakini mimi natia bidii nisome, tuje tuungane na wao tusaidie shule.
Jina langu naitwa Andrew Andiva, nasoma grade 7 Lukosi Primary na mixed na JSS. Nasema asante alumni wa shule yetu ya Lukosi, mkuja kututembelea 28, mkaungana na Mary Biketi ukatuletea zawadi. Tunashukuru, naomba Mungu awazidi kuwabariki.
In one of the day's most touching moments, alumni honored two teachers who for over 20 years ensured no girl was left behind. They saw the struggles, stood in the gap, and became the strength. Madam Lillian Kai and Madam Mary Wanjala were honored with flowers and gifts. Carlton Simiyu, Janet Makoha, Janet Kamau and Dixon Wanjala received certificate of recognition for being outstanding alumni.
For the sake of the
Menstrual health is not just about hygiene, it is about dignity, equality, and restoring the future of our girls. Today, we sow seeds that will grow into confident, educated women. In the spirit of African generosity, the Lukosi community offers its highest symbol of gratitude, a sheep presented to our guest speaker, the director of the Mary Biketi Foundation.
and on the whole world, for the sake of a sorrowful passion, have mercy on.
Madam Maureen expresses heartfelt thanks to all guests, including the alumni, for their unwavering support and presence. In a fragmented world, these returning footsteps are a testament our bonds were never truly broken. The journey may have scattered us, but the call of home still gathered us. A cry for my beloved school. In a moment of quiet strength, the head teacher blesses the alumni and offers words of encouragement for the journey ahead. As we continue this pilgrimage, may we be guided by the hope that every tear sown at Rama will be reaped in joy at Lukosi. Each donation, each conversation, each shared experience becomes part of a sacred offering, proof that small acts done in love build a future stronger than the past. Let's keep walking together towards a future where no child weeps alone and no girl is forgotten.
Eternal Father, I offer you the body in the blood,
soul and divinity of your dearly
beloved Son, our Lord Jesus Christ,
in atonement for our sins
and those of the whole world, for the sake of His sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world,
for the sake of His sorrowful passion.
have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of His sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world,
For the sake of His sorrowful passion.
have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of His sorrowful passion. Have mercy on us and on the whole world, for the sake of His sorrowful passion.